Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a clipping mask trick, or you can call it a property in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Now, this is a very simple trick, but it can be very useful and it can save us a lot of time and effort. So first we see how we can use the usual clipping mask option. We simply create any object. So let's say I create a circle. You can use any color doesn't really matter. So we have to put the object in front of the image that we want to use or that we want to clip. So let's say if this image is behind or in front of the object, so like this, the clipping mask won't work. Object clipping mask make, so it says the object needs to be in front of the image. So I will use the shortcut key and again I will place it where I want it. Select both the objects. In this case, one is an image and one is a vector object. So object clipping mask and make. So the object will mask the image, so only the image will be visible. And if you want to edit, we can simply double click and select the area and we can change accordingly. And if we double click again, we can see the entire image. And if we want to close the clipping mask, we can simply double click on the empty area, so it will close the clipping mask. So this is the regular clipping mask. So what if I want to, I will undo. So what if I want to clip the entire area of this particular page? So I will take different objects, like this is an image, this is an object. So I will draw a few more objects like this. So I will apply different color just to differentiate between the different objects. Again, I will write something down. I will use text. So let's say I will increase the size. I will change the font first. Increase the size. You can increase the size from here as well. So let's say I will write graphics. So now I want to create a mask as the size of this particular page. So I will create a rectangle exactly of the size of this page like this. And just remember, the object that you are using as a clip or as a mask, that needs to be in front. So I will select all the objects and object clipping mask. So this is what we wanted and this is what we got, exactly what we wanted. But what if I want to continue with the clipping mask, and if I add new designs or new objects, it will go outside the mask. So this is an issue. So we need to again release the mask from here, clipping mask, release. Then again we need to draw the objects and then again select and again choose make clipping mask option. So that can be time consuming. So instead of that, what we can do is, I will undo this first. So instead of choosing the option clipping mask from the object menu, we can simply go to, but the condition remains the same. The object that we are using as a mask, that has to be on top of every other object. So this is correct. So we go to layers. So as you can see, this rectangle over here is at the top. So keeping it at the top, select on this or click on this main layer and go to these settings, 3 lines, settings, and choose this option, make clipping mask. So the result will be the same, but the difference is very effective. If you draw any new object, it will be drawn inside that object. So like this. Again, if I draw any text, it will be drawn inside the area like this. As you can see, it is inside the area. So this is very useful. So this will save us a lot of time and effort. And if you want to release, and Once we apply the clipping mask, you can change the order of this clipping mask. It doesn't really matter, it remains as a mask. But if you want to remove it, simply take it at top and we can release. Okay, we have to click on this particular layer, release, and again if you want we can make clipping mask. The color really doesn't really matter. So this is how we can create a clipping mask using this particular property. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.